So I just received my dear package from the UPS. And let's see what is inside. Let's unbox it together. So this is like the Christmas gift packages they have. It's a very good gift for girlfriends. It's a very good gift for family. You can give it to your children. Ooh, it comes all geared up. So let's see. Am I able to push it out? Okay, maybe I have to like tear everything up so that the box. Oh, come on! Look at the box. It's a little big, man. This is good for Christmas. When I saw it, I thought the box was gonna be black, so I'm a little surprised. It came white as usual with blue ribbon. All right, just leave it down. All right, let's open this. Ew. Ooh. I'm salivating at you. Pretty things inside. Okay, this is the box I saw. I was saying I thought it was gonna be black. It's like navy blue, but it's gorgeous. Very gorgeous. Oh, these are samples. Whoa. These are gifts. These are gifts. Oh, I have like a bunch of gifts in here. Wow. That's a lot of gifts. Lots of gifts. Lots of gifts. Whoa. Oh, wow. J'adore. This is it. I like this one. This is the Dior Prestige serum. I'm gonna enjoy it for you. All for you. Oh, wow. I got my gift bag. Nice. And I got my gift bag. Nice. 2 gift bags. When you buy, I think above $200. And this one comes out like this. And this is it. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go, dear. Open up. Open for me, dear. It would be nice when you speak to your package and it opens. I'm waiting for that day. Oh, man. Comes like this. So this is the cream. This is the little bottle that you can just put in your pocket and spray down while you move on. Great gift. Imagine if you send this to your mom or a family member with all this, they'll be like, oh my God, I didn't know you thought about me all year. This is wonderful. This is so wonderful. Okay now. Okay. I've not smelled it before, but let's see if it's worth it. Woo! Smell it. It's so nice. I love it. Oh my. So worth it. I love it. And you know the cream? I got it in a sample and I decided I was gonna go all out. So, I mean, I love it already. Me love it. And I know you watching, you love it too. All right, thank you so much for watching with me. But meanwhile, I got this sample. Ooh, that's a perfume. I got this sample. That's another perfume. Low. Jeez. Sample everywhere. And I got this cream. That's a sample. Man, it's worth it. It's worth it. Honey, my face is gonna glitter by the time I'm done with your serum. Oh, this is the eyeshadow / whatever palette. Oh, good girl. Man, Dior doing it. Let me see. I like it though. Ooh, that's nice. That's very nice. Let me see how it comes out. Ooh, it glitters. Just a little bit. Look at it shoes. So that means when I'm ready to dress up, all out. Thank you so much for watching. I have more of my samples, but for now I'm gonna let you go. Oh well, no, this is not a sample. This is the concealer. Yeah, correcting whatever. Yeah, this is the concealer. 24 hours concealer. So good. Let me see how it comes out. I hope it's my color. Okay, I'm gonna do it later. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.